The no key detected error is one of the most common issues affecting Nissan Rogue vehicles, particularly models from 2014 to 2024. This persistent problem stems from the vehicle's intelligent key system. The intelligent key system uses radio frequency identification, or RFID technology, operating at either 315 or 433 MHz frequencies. This wireless communication system allows the key fob to communicate with the vehicle without physical contact. The intelligent key system consists of four main components. The key fob contains a transponder chip and battery. Antenna modules are located throughout the vehicle in door handles and interior areas. The Intelligent Key Control Module, or IKCM, serves as the central processor. Finally, the body control module interfaces with various vehicle systems. The system operates through a four-step process. First, the key fob continuously transmits a low-frequency signal. Second, vehicle antennas detect this signal when the fob is within a 3 to 4 foot range. Third, the IKCM verifies the encrypted code from the fob. Finally, if authentication succeeds, the system allows engine start and door unlock functions. The no key detected error has four primary causes. Battery issues account for 60% of cases, including weak key fob batteries or low vehicle batteries. Hardware malfunctions cause 25% of problems, typically involving faulty antenna modules or a defective IKCM. Environmental interference contributes to 10% of issues through radio frequency interference or extreme temperatures. Finally, software problems account for 5% of cases, usually involving programming glitches or lost key programming. When you encounter the no key detected error, start with the most effective quick fix. Hold your key fob directly against the push button start while pressing the brake pedal and start button simultaneously. If the first method doesn't work, the issue is likely a weak key fob battery. Replace the CR2032 battery in your key fob, making sure to install it with the correct polarity, positive side facing up. Every Nissan key fob contains a hidden mechanical key for emergencies. Remove this key from inside the fob, locate the emergency key slot behind the start button cover, insert the key, and turn it while pressing the start button. For persistent issues, try resetting the entire system. Disconnect your vehicle's battery for 15 minutes, then reconnect it. This can resolve temporary software glitches in the key detection system. If these quick fixes don't resolve the issue, you may need key fob reprogramming or professional diagnosis of the antenna modules. These problems typically require specialized equipment and should be handled by a qualified technician.